every once in a while I get sent merch from crypto companies, and I have them send it to another place, not my home address. And just recently, I just got this big black box here, and it's unmarked. So I don't know what crypto company sent it. I think I know, but yeah, I haven't opened it, and I think they want me to do an unboxing. So I'm gonna do an unboxing for whatever I got sent into this box here, and I guess we should just. Oh, I gotta. My lucky pen here. This is one of the perks of being. This is gonna be just a different type of video, I guess, because this is one of the perks of being like a YouTuber. I did not expect to get free merch and stuff like that, but one thing that I like is I actually love free stuff. Funny little thing about me is that whenever I go to conferences, I walk out of those conferences like with a bag full of free stuff every single time. Why? Because I have this saying: if it ain't free, it ain't me. This is huge. This is a 2-part box here, I guess. Like, oh yeah, this is 2 boxes. This is 2 boxes. So that's very interesting. What is going on? Ew. 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 What? That is so nasty. It just this freaks me. I'm freaking out right now. I just got sent worms. This is from Resurgence. Okay, I thought so. Okay, this is from a crypto company called Resurgence. It's a game that's coming out. Check out the link in the description. May contain gluten. It says here, people with selfish. It's 2 grasshoppers, 2 crickets, 5 milliliters of buffalo larvae, and 5 mealworms. Ew. Freaking ew, dude. Why would you... I'm so scared to go through the rest of this. Look, I need you to see. I need you to see this. This is nasty. Okay, this is nasty. Before I get to the pencil, I'm like freaking out right now. This is so gross. It's like crunchy or is this real? This can't be real. Yeah, no, this is real. Packed June 7. Got sent to me best before September 5. That's so gross. So yeah, great. I have grasshoppers here. That's so nasty. Can you see this? It's like separated into compartments and stuff like that. I'd be freaking out if they were like moving. I'm kind of freaking out right now. That's freaking gross. Plant your pencil, the original sustainable pencil that you can plant after use and grow into herbs, vegetables, or flowers. What in the world? Plant your pencil sprout. I guess you could plant this. Oh, there's like a capsule at the end of this. This is not an eraser. I guess you could plant this and it plants cherry tomatoes. What is literally happening? What? Can I plant this too? Is this like a thing that I could plant here? This is freaking nasty. I don't know. What's this? I'm like scared to grow in here. This is gross. What is this? What kind of sack? Look at this weird like resurgence, baby. Like, what is this? What's this for? Miltech? I have no idea what this big giant green bag is for. I guess it clips together like this. What is this for? Like this? Is this a trash bag? Are they sending me like survival stuff? That's what the game is a little bit about. I'm guessing it's like post-apocalyptic. The world's got it. What in the world is this? Ew. What in the world is going on here? What am I being sent? This is really freaking me out. Do you see this? What is... Look at this thing. Look what I've been sent. This is so weird. What is happening? Why am I being sent a gas mask? Why did this happen? Is this real? I don't. Hold on. Okay. Well, you know, now we have to. Hold on. Do something. Is this how you put it on? Oh.
Oh yeah. Yeah. I can't breathe. This is.
Oh. I can't breathe. No, that freaked me out. Oh, maybe I need to unplug it. I have no idea how to use it.
I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Okay. This is crazy.
Why would they send me a gas? How much is this stuff? What is going on? Why am I being sent a gas mask? What is this? Is there like, I'm like thinking there's bugs in here. Oh shit. Something come up. Something come up. Yo, one of the black things like flipped out. Is there anything in here? Yo, one of the black little like squishy things popped out. That freaked me out. What is happening? What is this? What is this? Ooh. Oh, this is like a utility. I could survive with this. What is happening? I've never had a crypto company do this for me. This is so extra. Look, this is why they wanted me to unbox this thing, because I got a nail file on here. Okay, this is nice. This is nice. I like this. This is you're meant to survive the wilderness, and this is how you do it. You know, I'll bet you anything. This is like stuff that they're gonna put into their game. This is so extra right now. So maybe I'll put it in my garage. We'll use it. We'll use some of it. I'm like freaking out a little bit. Okay. Oh, there's one thing left in here. I just want to make sure that. Oh. All right. Let's see here. What's this dog tag say? What's this dog tag? Vandercorp. That's what this dog tag says. So okay. Yeah. Sweet. There's something else in here. Well, there's a few things in here. What is this? Compass plus whistle. I don't know. Compass plus whistle. I don't know. Is it a? This is so cool. Everything's like super branded. Like they really took the. What is this? Help! Help! Somebody! It's a Demogorgon. What is this? Do I open it? Oh, look at this. This is all, and you got to check your makeup when you're you're doing this kind of thing. So there's a mirror in there, and sorry if this unboxing video is not fun or anything. It's just I've never done an unboxing video, and I've never had stuff like I love free stuff. That's something I do love. Okay, so there's like a ton of stuff here. A torch and a survival blanket. I love it. What is this? Vander Corporation. I don't know what that means. It's so funny. My pastor at my church, his name is Vander Plug. So it's like, I feel like I'm getting it from him. Is there anything else in here? There's like, look, even like the paper in this is so like, this is extra. They really put a lot of time into really generating hype, and I mean, whatever. This is getting me hype. Okay, so this game, honestly, they've told me nothing about this game, so I don't really know. Welcome, our journey, your future. Okay, so if you guys want to scan that QR code, this is the first time I'm doing it, so sweet. Yeah, okay. What is a torch? I love how they did it. This is so. Oh, it's a flashlight. It's not working. I guess they don't have batteries in the upside down there. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. No, there's just plastic in between. Okay, hold on. Let's put this torch on. Let's light this torch, baby. Flame on. Ooh, this is cool. Yeah, this is a legit. They did not cheap out on this. This is sweet. Resurgence. Dude, I wonder what this game is about. This is like a survival, like I guess kind of think Fallout, like nuclear waste or whatever. Okay, survival blanket. It's tinfoil. It's like a space blanket. Not the comfiest, but I guess. Oh, you know what? That's why tinfoil is like that, because it keeps heat in. Right? Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Look at, dude, look how ready I am for freaking the surviving the wilderness right now. This is great. I underestimated how much room I would need. Okay, yeah, I don't know what this is. If you could let me know what this is. Is this a poop chute? Is this a poop chute? Let me think about everything. Okay, hold on. So this was just one half of this box. Alright. I think that's everything in there. Dude, this... I don't know why they would send me a gas mask. This is crazy. It's so crazy. I don't... Alright, let's see this next one. Let's see if we can open it a little bit here. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna use this thing. Okay. Just open it up. Yeah, there you go. Here's how I use it. Alright. Got another Bandit Corporation here. Let's see if it's any different. Welcome, Aaron Mamuyak, to your journey and future. Oh, okay. So they sent me, one has my name on it, one doesn't. Okay, so no problem. Bandit. Okay, let's see what we got in here. I hate that it's unmarked because it freaks me out. Oh. That's the same thing. They sent me two. Oh, no, this one has my name on it. Oh, so cool. Wait a minute. Should I have sent the other one? Uh-oh. Because there's another gas mask in here. And I guess another dog tag. Oh, and this one has my name on it. Uh-oh. I think and another poop chute. And I'm guessing all of the rest. Okay. I think Okay, you know what? Here's what we're gonna do. Okay. Well, you know, let me just make sure that all this other stuff. Okay, I got another plant. My pencil. I got another. Oh! They sent me another one of these. How are they gonna send me two of these things, man? What's going on? That's so gross, dude. Okay. So I'm guessing. Yeah, I have all of the same stuff. Like this is all. I've got two of these things, and these ones are unbranded or unnamed. Okay, so here's what I think I'm gonna do. I have no need for two gas masks. I have no need for one gas mask, but I think we're gonna mount it on my wall back there. So since I have a second box, I've decided to give it to Seron, the crypto bandit himself. He's right here. Thank you so much for Resurgence for the second box, and I am now giving it to him. You can check out his video of his unboxing on his channel, Seron the Crypto Bandit. Just go ahead and search that, and yeah, enjoy.
What am I looking at? Is this a poopy bag? Yo, there's more stuff. There's crickets! Oh my god. Oh, it's real. Oh, it's freaking real. Batman! Batman! Yeah.